Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you my favorites, savory crepes. So good, and so good I can't wait. I just can't wait. Let's go with ingredients so we can get started. In this bowl, all I have is all-purpose flour or just plain flour, salt, yellow food color, chopped green onion, baking soda, and water. We just gonna need a little bit of oil to brush the pan, and back there you can I'm just gonna preheat my pan because this is going to be so quick, and right after mix, by the time you're mixing, the pan will be warm enough and ready to go. And I will suggest you to make your chutney in advance because you would love to try the first one, as I do always, and having my chutney ready is awesome. So the chutney recipe you may find in my channel already posted with my gâteau du pain, with my bread pakora. So the recipe will be there, so you can find that. Now I find the best way to make the crepe is with the electric hand mixer, or you can just use a hand whisk. So these two, my first option will be the electric mixer, and the second option will be the hand whisk, so that way we are not going to have any lumps in the batter. So to my flour, I'm gonna add salt, of course, to taste, and just a pinch of yellow food color. You can play around with your color, darker, lighter, that's up to you. And then I'm just gonna add a bit of baking soda, not baking powder, just baking soda. And always tighten your lid anytime you're using baking soda, and that way they preserve good, they don't get bad, they don't go bad. And I'm gonna add my green onion. Now before I start the electric hand mixer, I just want to give this a mix just like that, and then I'm gonna add water. Don't add all of the water once, and then I'm gonna start mixing over low, and I'm gonna keep adding water and let it keep mixing. You will see the yellow color, your desired yellow color as you're mixing it. If you need more, you can add just more food color. Alright, so now the batter is ready. Now you guys can see how liquidy is it. And I'm gonna write all the written recipe, including the amount of the water, in the description box, so check that later. Now the pan is preheating back there. I'm just gonna clean up, and then we're gonna go start making the crepes. Okay, my pan is preheating and it is ready to go. The heat is over medium-low. For the crepe, medium-low is the best to cook the crepe. Now you can use a spoon like this. If you don't have this, you can just use measuring cup, and you will get all in the same size. But I prefer to use this one instead of the measuring cup. Now what I'm gonna do is just use some oil to brush the pan. Alright, have a plate ready, and then give that a mix before it goes to the pan. And I'm just only gonna use 3/4 of this butter for this spoon, and then slowly, smoothly, gently, you're gonna go like this. Spread the butter a little bit bigger than what it is to make it a thinner crepe. Okay, and now we're gonna let this cook. There is not any specific minutes that I can tell you. All you're gonna see is just like that. All the wet butter is getting dry, just like that. Catching a little bit brown color underneath is okay, but do not let it get too brown. Now you guys can see now still white underneath, and it is easily, you can flip it over without any sticky. Now using a non-stick pan will help a lot. And now we're just gonna turn the crepe and let the other side cook. I would say about half a minute. Okay guys, so the other side has cooked too. You don't have to just flip this and then flip it again. We don't have to do this. Just one time flip both sides is fine. Okay, so this is done, and now I'm gonna go continue the rest. Okay guys, the crepes are ready. I have already snacked up. I have already eat 2 crepes because in the beginning of the video I told you guys, get your chutney ready, because as soon as the first one gets done, you won't be able to wait for the rest to be done. You wanna try, because this is how good it is. And that's my crepe, savory crepe. And the chutney, I have made it with like extra tomato, that's why it is red. It really depends. You can add more coriander leaf, you can add more mint leaf, you can add mint or coriander, you can add both. You can just play around with your chutney and garlic, and it's just basically tomatoes, garlic, coriander or mint, and some spicy chilies like green chilies or red chilies. Today I have added red chilies to mine, so it is like super spicy. And for the amount of flour that I have used, I got 12 crepes, which is big enough, not too small, not too big, but a good size. You can just double the recipe if you want to make more. And I know in Mauritius we all love to eat things, especially on Sunday afternoon, like anytime. And right now most of you are home, so just make this. It is so simple and easy to make, require very simple ingredient. Whatever will be in your pantry, you will have the flour, chopped coriander will be in your garden, and the green chilies. So just go ahead and make this. Comment down below how did yours turn, and I'm just gonna go and maybe snack another one. And full written ingredient will be in the description box. I will see you next time. Bye.